Meet Endosink. Press Start on the user screen to fill the basin with water. Whether you have a 1, 2, or 3 basin configuration, the process is identical. The basin will automatically stop filling once the water level reaches the optical sensor. Once the basin is full, the user will be prompted to scan their employee barcode, followed by the barcode located on the scope, using the Endosink supplied scanner. Attach the leak test connector to the scope. Press Proceed to begin the leak test. The scope will be pressurized and then count for 30 seconds, while the on-board pressure sensor checks for leaks. Submerge the scope in the filled basin and visually check for any leaks. Once the technician is satisfied with the results of the wet leak test, they will remove the leak test connector from the scope and press Pass on the user screen. Once Pass is selected, the Endosink will automatically dose the appropriate volume of enzymatic into the basin. The technician will brush the channels as per manufacturer's IFU. For this demonstration, we have skipped the brushing. Attach the connectors to the scope. Every Endosink comes with the interface connector and silicone tubing. Simply attach your connectors to the supplied autoclavable, reusable tube sets. Once the connectors are attached to the scope, press Proceed on the user screen. At this point, the process is hands-free for an estimated 9 minutes, giving the technician time to perform other duties. The Endosink will prime the scope channels with fresh enzymatic solution. After the channels have been primed with enzymatics, the static soak will begin automatically. The static soak time is determined by the IFU of your enzymatic supplier, usually 1 to 2 minutes. Directly following the static soak, the Endosink will wash the scope channels with fresh enzymatic solution. Once the wash stage is complete, the Endosink will automatically drain the basin of the wash solution while simultaneously purging the scope channels with air. If using a 2 or 3 basin configuration, the technician will transfer the scope to the freshwater basin. With a single bowl configuration, as shown in this video, the Endosink will automatically refill the basin with fresh rinse water once the drain and air purge are complete. The Endosink will simultaneously rinse the scope channels with fresh water while the basin is refilling. The Endosink will stop filling automatically once the optical sensor is reached. The technician will be prompted by the user screen to wipe the scope exterior and then press Proceed to continue to the final drain and air purge. Once the basin is drained, the process is complete. Detach the connectors and remove the scope. For further information on Endosink, go to endosink.com.